fundamental operations. So what are the basic fundamental operations that you learn in this chapter? It is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So okay, we'll start with addition. So what is addition? Okay, adding of numbers is nothing but addition. So we use the symbol plus for addition and it is read as what? Plus, right? So the answer after doing the addition is nothing but sum or total. Okay. Now, how do you add numbers? We add numbers from ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand and so on. So always we will add the numbers starting from ones column. Okay. And when you change the order of the numbers, 2 or 3 numbers, the result or the sum which we get after the addition remains the same. Even though the order is changed, the sum or the total of the addition remains the same. And what is successor? Okay, what is successor? So when you add 1 to any number, the consecutive number, the successive number which we get as answer is the successor. For example, 2 plus 1, 3, right? Here 3 is nothing but successor. 648 plus 1 is 649. So 649 is nothing but the successor. Now these are all the basic points to remember when you are doing addition. Now we will do a addition example. Children, I have an example of addition on the board. So it is having 4 numbers, but the number of digits in all the numbers is different. So how do I place the numbers? I need to see that we place it period wise. So the first number is this, right? So 4, 2, 5, 3, 8, 0, 6, 4. Okay, the second number is this. So period wise I am placing it. So 2, 4, 6 over here. Then 0, 8. Then 6, 3. Okay. Now coming to this number. First period is 3, 4, 5. Then next 29. Now coming to this is 6, 3, 8. Okay, this is 5 children. Now I am going to add all these numbers. So plus, I will be adding all these numbers. So I will start with ones column. It is 4 plus 6, which is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 8. What is 15 plus 8? After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, right? So I have 2 digits, 23. 3 over here and I will carry 2 over here. Yes children? Now 6 plus 4, I am moving to tens column. Now it is 6 plus 4, which is again 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 2, after 17, 18, 19. So 9 and 1 carry to the hundreds column. Now it is 0 plus 2, which is 2. 2 plus 3, it is 5. 5 plus 6, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So 11 plus 1, 12. 2 here and 1 I will carry to the thousands column. Now 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 9, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 1 is how much children? It is 18. So 8 plus 1 over here to carry. Now in the 10,000s column I have 3 plus 8. So 3 plus 8 is how much children? After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 2 is how much? 12, 13 plus 1, 14. Okay, now 1 carry to the next column. Now 5 plus 6, how much it is? After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? 11 plus 1 is how much children it is? Yes, 12. 2 plus 1. Now 2 plus 3, right? 2 I am carrying, sorry, it is 12, right? So I am carrying 2 here, I am writing it and carrying 1 over here. Now 2 plus 3, how much it is? 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now 4 as it is I need to write over here. So when I add all these numbers, I am getting the sum to be this, or the total to be this, right? Yes or no, children? Now, children, you have an exercise related to this addition in your textbook. Please practice it. Now children, we learn one more fundamental operation, that is subtraction. So what is subtraction? The difference of two numbers is subtraction, and the symbol or sign which we use for subtraction is this, and we call this as minus. Okay, and one more, the number before minus. What is the number before minus called? It is called as minuend, and the number after minus is called as subtrahend. Okay, and one more thing, if you subtract a number from 0, okay, if you subtract a number from 0, then the answer is the number itself. Okay, when you subtract a number from 0, then the answer is the number itself. And when you subtract 1 from any number, it is called as what? Predecessor. When you subtract 1 from any number, then the number is the predecessor. For example, 13 minus 1, we get 12, right? So 12 is called predecessor. So what is predecessor? Predecessor is nothing but when you subtract 1 from any number, then the answer which we get is nothing but the predecessor. So 13 minus 1, we get 12. 12 is the predecessor. Okay, and the result of this is called as difference. So whenever you subtract two numbers, like 2 minus 1 is 1, so this answer is called as difference. Children, I have taken example for subtraction. I will be subtracting this number from this. So it is 5, 8, 3, 0, 2, 7, 1, 4. Okay, and 2, 9, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6. So I will be subtracting the number. I will start from 1's place. 4 minus 6. I can't do 4 minus 6 because 6 is greater number. So I need to borrow 1 from 10's place, right? So I will be borrowing 1 tenth. It will become 0 over here and it will become 10. So 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 minus 6. How much it is, children? It is 8. Okay? It is 8. Now I am moving to the tens column. Here I have 0 minus 5, which we can't do. So I will be borrowing from hundreds column 100. Then it will become 10 tens. So here it will become 6. Okay. So 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now moving to hundreds column. 6 minus 7. I can't do it, so I need to borrow 1, right? So here it will become 10 hundredths, and here the thousand, in the thousands column it will become 1000. So 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 minus 7 is how much, children? 16 minus 7 is how much? 9. Very good. So here now 1 minus 6. So I can't subtract 6 from 1. So I will be borrowing 1. Here it is 0. So I will borrow from here. So it is 2 over here. It will become 10. Again it will become 9 over here. Now it is again 10. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 6 is how much, children? It is 5. Okay. Now 9 minus 8. How much it is? It is 1. Now in this column I have 2 minus 5, which is not possible because I can't subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, right? Now I need to borrow from 8. It is 7 over here, and I will be borrowing 10. So 10 plus 2 is how much? It is 12. 12 minus 5 is how much? It is 7. Okay, now 7 minus 9. I can't do it, so I will be borrowing from this column. It will become 4 over here, and again 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 minus 9 is how much? It is 8. Okay. Now 4 minus 2. How much it is? It is So this is the answer or the difference when I subtract this number from this. Okay. Children, there is an exercise related to this in your textbook. Please do practice.